Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can buy the Axelar token. So guys, in order to buy the Axelar token, all you need to do is head over to your browser icon, and once you've opened up your browser, log on to coinmarketcap.com, link in description of video. Scroll down and you'd find the Axelar token. You can find its contract address and any other important information. And once you scroll down enough, you'd find the markets. Now, the markets is a section of the CoinMarketCap page where you get to look at the exchanges that host the Axelar token, and you can have a look at its price, its depth, its volume, and confidence, as well as the liquidity store. So as you can see, Coinbase, KuCoin, and Kraken are one of the top exchanges that are trading or listing Axelar. So now, how can I buy some Axelar or some wrapped Axelar? Simply minimize and make sure you have a KuCoin account. And by simply installing the KuCoin mobile app and using our link to register or verify your account, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome bonuses. So guys, with a verified account, how do I buy the Axelar token? Simply scroll up till you find the deposit icon, which is at the top left. Once you've selected deposit, you could deposit any cryptocurrency from BNB to Bitcoin to Solana to Ethereum to any particular cryptocurrency you hold. And once you've deposited that cryptocurrency on KuCoin, simply head over to the assets menu. So guys, on the assets menu, simply find the cryptocurrency that you have. And all you need to do is head to the home section, click on the convert icon where we have USDT. Use any of your cryptocurrencies to convert over to the USDT, and all you need to do is enter an amount and simply click on convert. By doing that, you get to convert your crypto into the USDT. And to now buy the Axelar token, head over to the assets menu and make sure that your crypto is on the trading account. So click on the transfer option, select the USDT, and now we're going to be transferring from our funding to our trading. So click on confirm, scroll over to the funding account, reload, and you find the USDT there. Click on the home section where we have Dovi USDT. Click on the Dovi USDT pair and search for WAXL. That's the wrapped Axelar. And now we can buy this USDT on with market price, which is basically buying at the current price of the market. And all we need to do now is enter an amount and click on Buy Axelar. And once you've put in your passcode, order has been placed. If you head back to the assets menu and perform a reload, you find the wrapped Axelar here. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.